Hi, everyone, and welcome to the special simulcast of the Neil Hayes Show and the Gilda Gram Podcast with our host, Dr. Gilda Carle. Hi, Dr. Gilda.
Hi, Neil. Okay, this one is really interesting. What happens when women get divorced? They have kids to raise, they become single moms. That's not easy. So, a bunch of New York City single moms have absolutely ditched men in general. And you've heard of a commune. This is called a mommune. They are living together, raising their kids together, and they say this is a lifestyle that works for us. How this is going to work? Well, after a while, we'll know maybe more. But right now, they've had to find resources to help support the intricacies of motherhood. And it's hard raising a child, especially a child raising that child alone. Uh, the problem is, and they say, they don't hate men, but they say no Prince Charming is required. Uh, but they're solo moms and they think that they are going to have more me time with kids. I don't know how much me time you can grab, but they are trying to manufacture a mommune on their own without men. I'm interested in what the audience is going to say about this. Of course, I'm always interested in our audience feedback. We have a unique group of viewers and listeners, and they're very opinionated. Thank goodness. I love that. And they're not shy about saying what they feel. But when you have an absence of men, after a while, you feel it. I go to meetings, women's meetings for women's organizations. I miss the testosterone infusion in those meetings, in the interactions. There's something about the way men think versus the way women think, and you just get a different perspective. I love having men at our meetings, at whatever meetings we're at. I love working with Neil because he's a guy instead of the feedback that is so predictable for me from a lot of my female friends. Uh, how this is going to manufacture itself into a role modeling situation for young boys growing up is another worry of mine because boys need to see male role models. We have seen it. All the literature points to the fact that boys without fathers in or father figures in their families are the ones who get into delinquency and trouble and truancy and all kinds of problems out there on the streets. They need a dad around or a dad figure around to see how men behave, how men treat women, for example. So while this sounds like a utopian society for the single women, and I understand you just get divorced, you're depleted. And that's crazy time, as I have said many times. Getting divorced is crazy time, and you don't even know where your right foot comes after your left foot. I mean, that's how difficult it is. However, if you are thinking that this is going to be a sustainable living arrangement, I hope these parents think again because we love our men, we need our men. And if you're raising young men, they certainly need a male role model. And that's my Gildagram for today.
And I mean that's the thing they we do. And you need to be able to be with both so that you can interact with both and really get to know each other and understand things. And if you can't cease of same sex or getting to interact also with female, it doesn't work. You won't be able to have that good intricate communication skills you need to be successful in life. All right, go to drgilda.com, purchase Real Men Don't Go Woke, and like and subscribe to the podcast. Appreciate it, Dr. Gilda.
Thank you, Neil.
All right. That was a special simulcast in the Neil Haley Show on the Gilda Gram Podcast, guys. Take care.